Changing the email link to your Wells Fargo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile and Preferences. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Preferences section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select email address. In the Profile section, find the option for email address or contact information. Click on it to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new email is linked to your account. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support for assistance.